To remove or replace system memory, first remove the rear cover and the motherboard EMI shield. Next, gently pull out on the retaining lever located on each side of the SO-DIMM memory module. The module will pop up from its socket. Pull the module out of the socket. There is a small notch on one side of each SO-DIMM memory module. There is a small tab on one side of each SO-DIMM socket. To replace an SO-DIMM memory module, angle the module to about 30 degrees, engaging the notch into its socket tab. Press the module down into place until the retaining levers snap into position over the sides of the module.